Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back into another video. We just arrived in Georgetown, successfully parked. We haven't eaten in a long time.
24 hours.
Our first stop is obviously going to be food. This is going to be a mixture of a food tour in Georgetown, as well as just a daily vlog being in Georgetown for the first time. I've never been here before. There's some cute stuff to see, some historical stuff to see, so it's gonna be fun. But we're gonna start out at Levain Bakery. So we're gonna take her to get some fresh Levain cookies for breakfast. Yay! If you guys have been here since my NYC vlog days, then you might have heard of this already because it started out in New York City. These are the best cookies in the whole world, in my opinion.
Ever, apparently.
But mom hasn't had them yet.
Which ones?
The dark chocolate ones are amazing. I haven't tried the 2-chip chocolate chip, so I'm gonna try that one.
Yeah, a little bit of milk and that.
Look at how soft. It's like squishy. Never had one, but I've heard about them.
Yeah, because I rave about them. Is that not?
It's warm.
Yeah. Is that not the best cookie you've ever had?
Fantastic.
And look how thick they are. Damn, she's thick.
How many calories is one of these?
You're not supposed to think about that.
Can I eat the whole thing in one sitting?
Yeah, we didn't eat for 24 hours.
I know, so instead we're gonna have a sugar buzz.
Yeah. I mean, I've had this one so many times. It's my favorite.
Oh, have you? Okay.
Yeah. It's so melty and gooey in the middle. So yummy. So good. I actually ordered a flavor that I haven't had yet, which is the 2-chip chocolate chip. Oh my gosh. Here's a beautiful food porn shot. Let's break this in half. Oh my god. Yum. This is like their newest flavor.
What is this?
Chocolate, 2-chip chocolate chip. So just double the chocolate chips. Which, like, how can you go wrong?
Don't touch it with that finger. You've got more chocolate on it. But it does help.
That's a great latte. That's fantastic. I know that's a little bitter for you, but I love mine. I love it. I love it strong.
I said it's a little bitter, but it's really good. And when you're eating this, bitter is better. Those are not all in one sitting.
Bobby and I always split them, and you're still full. It's like a full meal.
Okay, so that was our first Georgetown during COVID experience. We sat on these steps
Yeah, so
in the sun. It was fantastic.
yeah, we found this cute little fire escape probably to sit on. Anyway, so that was stop
How much
number
chocolate
one.
do I have on
How
my
much chocolate do I have on
You
my mouth?
don't have any.
You have a little bit, like up under there. Yeah, they've got it nailed. If you guys haven't had Levain cookies, first of all, they ship nationwide now, which is awesome. But this one in Georgetown did just open. I checked with the guy that worked there. He said less than 6 months ago. So if you haven't hit that up yet, you need to. We're gonna head right on to the next stop. The great thing about Georgetown is it's a pretty small neighborhood within Washington, D.C. So we parked our car for the day and now we're just walking from place to place. And I kind of mapped out our day that we plan on doing, and literally no walk is more than 15 minutes from one place to the next. So that's awesome. So we're headed to Cafe Georgetown. I'm really excited because they have this special like cherry blossom latte, which I don't know if I'm gonna like, but it's bright pink, and when you're in some place that has something unique like that, for me, I just can't pass it up. So
If
we'll
you watch
see you there.
Kelsey and all, you know, we just hop from eating
Food,
place to
food.
eating
Yeah.
place.
Someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm
As you walk through Georgetown, you might notice these call boxes. They used to be boxes where people could call the police or fire department before cell phones, but now they've been restored to show off art around Georgetown, or in this case, give a little history about the neighborhood. This one in particular actually talked about Tudor Place, which we'll be showing you guys in a couple minutes. It's a partnership between Cultural Tourism DC and the Commission on the Arts and Humanities. There's now 145 of these all around Washington, DC.
So you have one latte with skim and one cherry blossom with skim? Yes. It's going to be $13.48 on the others. Thank you. Good. Thank you so much. The cinnamon twist is going to be with
Oh my god, that's actually so good because it's not overly sweet at all. The cherry is so subtle.
How are the blossoms? You haven't had any.
It's delicious. No, this is honestly really good.
It's like coffee with roughage.
I'm actually shocked. This is freaking amazing. That's so good. That's so good. It's like just like the lightest cherry flavor. I love it.
Once again, we'll zoom in on that pretty cup.
This is a 10 out of 10.
Wow. It's amazing. I wouldn't have thought so.
I love it. Okay, turn right. That's adorable.
But it's no good to bring two good ones, only one, right? Bring them, try.
We are currently walking along Book Hill, which is a portion of Wisconsin Ave in Georgetown that's just a really cute shopping area, lots of art galleries, boutiques, antique stores, stuff like that, just really cool and unique stuff. So we're going to shop till we drop / until our lunch reservation along here, and then we're gonna go eat lunch along the water.
Why is it called Book Hill? Noticing how there's bookstores everywhere. Do you think it became that because some?
There's also Book Hill Park along it that it's named after, I think.
Okay.
So yeah, very cool. At the beginning of today, I had mentioned us going to some historical sites around Georgetown. This was supposed to be one of them. My research last night did not enlighten me to the fact that this was closed to the public, unfortunately. But this is Tudor Place. If you can see about as much as I can see right now. There's not much to see from the street, but it's the historical home of Martha Washington's family and line of descendants, I guess. It has a bunch of like George Washington history in there, a bunch of different historical artifacts, I guess, from that family. I don't know because I can't go inside.
But
So
wait, come over here. One thing, and I'm reading off a sign, but the one thing about this place is that in 1814, as the War of 1812 was going on for 2 years,
Good math. Good job.
Dr. William Thornton and his wife Anna Maria fled from their downtown home, took refuge here.
So this, while Washington, D.C. was kind of being overrun, survived. And a lot of people took refuge here. And as this sign says, watch the city burn from here. So that's fun. Good
Which was
times.
depressing.
Good memes. Little streets like this always make it like super clear that we were a British colony, because if you've ever been to England, this looks like a quintessential British suburb street. It's so cute. That was our quick trip to Boot Hill Park. A lot smaller than I was expecting. A little bit,
Smaller and run down.
what's the word? I don't know.
Neglected?
But that's where Boot Hill, like the shopping street, gets its nickname from, obviously. And now we're headed back down the Boot Hill shopping street, down Wisconsin Ave, and to our lunch spot. And Mom is quickly tiring of her shopping bag, so we're gonna drop those off.
Them off. I'm gonna throw that.
Good. Okay, 6 minutes. Where we go? Oh, look at those cute little outdoor. Yeah. Oh, I love those bubbles. What restaurant is that? I want to trade.
Yum! Yum!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
For some reason, I can never find plantains, so we finally found them. Perfect. Literally perfect.
They're perfect. Perfect. Do you want to try the guacamole? Kelsey has no trouble quickly finishing up to try something.
Oh, that's so good.
I thought the guacamole was fabulous.
You ate it already?
I already had it. I wouldn't have had the patience to film you.
That was good. A 10 out of 10. And this is like 8 or 9 out of 10, yeah.
Yeah, I agree. It's gonna get cold quickly.
I don't think so. Let's use a look. That's all I have.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
The wind has turned. It's a bit chilly, and Mom here is becoming a bit of a wuss. So
It's brisk.
luckily, I'm wearing this super loose jacket that doesn't show my body because I have quite the food baby right now. So last stop of the day, we're headed to the C&O canals, which I'll tell you about when we get there. But that's gonna be the last stop of the day. And then we're headed home. That was
It's been a great day. Lots of fun.
Here we are.
The canal was most active and profitable between 1865 and 1880. Over 500 boats carrying nearly 1 million tons of cargo annually between Cumberland and Georgetown. More than 90% of the boats arrived in Georgetown filled with coal. The canal stretched 184.5 miles between Georgetown and Cumberland, rising 605 feet in elevation along the journey. The canal averaged 60 feet across, 6 feet deep, and included 7 dams, 11 aqueducts, and 74 lift locks. Wow.
Bye, Georgetown.
Holy shit! Look at that deal! Look at that mother effing deal! Ooh.
Okay. That ended up being an awesome day in Georgetown. That was so much fun.
It was great.
What was your favorite part of the day? Please do tell.
Not sure. I really liked all the boutiques in Georgetown. I just like the atmosphere. Our meal.
Any place that my mom can spend her money is a great atmosphere
Our
for her.
meal, seriously, our meal at Guapo's was wonderful, and the guys who served us there were just fantastic. I mean, they're just all so friendly, and yeah.
Yeah, that was an awesome meal. We were nice and warm because they had like fire pits at the tables and also like a heating lamp right next to our table. Oh my gosh. My favorite part of the day was, honestly, cherry blossom latte.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's surprising.
That cafe was really good and cute. It was like nice to hang out there.
Because I thought it was great, but I really liked the latte at Levain.
It was a great day. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog as much as we enjoyed being here. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
And make sure you visit Georgetown.
Bye.
Bye.